In this video, we'll teach you how to delete blank rows manually, as well as how to utilize filters to delete blank rows. Using a filter. Open your Google spreadsheet in your browser. Add a new column to your document. Title this column, Blanks. Click the cell directly under the cell that says Blanks. In this cell, enter the formula, equals count A, open parenthesis, x, y, close parenthesis. In this formula, XX should be the first cell in the row and YY should be the last. Click the dot in the lower right corner of your formula cell and drag down. This will copy the formula to each cell and replace the row numbers in the formula with the appropriate ones for that row. Drag down to the bottom of your sheet. Select the cell that says Blanks and go to Data tab. Click Create a Filter. This will add filters to the headers on your sheet. Click the drop-down arrow next to Blanks. A menu will appear with various sorting options. Click the option that says Clear to clear all of the filter criteria. Select 0, then click the OK button. Select the blank rows. Right-click any one of the selected rows and press Delete Rows. Remove the filter by clicking the Data drop-down and selecting Remove Filter. Click the column letter of the Blanks column and delete it. Deleting blank rows manually. Click the row number next to the blank row. Right-click any one of the selected rows and press Delete Rows. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.